It's super insane, guys, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get PojavLauncher for iOS and Android. So this lets you play Java Minecraft on your phone. So as you can see, guys, we have it right here and we have all the versions and everything fully working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's super awesome. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in PojavLauncher, and then go ahead and press install. And before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So all you got to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% free, guys. Also, this is from official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So we're just going to let it load up, as you can see. So just give it a second to load. Alright. So yeah, basically what we got to do is download 2 of these apps. They're all free and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, there's all these different ones like Family Island, which says reach level 11. So I could do that. TikTok, Lucky Match, you gotta reach level 11, so just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps and then you're done. So I'll see you guys later, but that's how to get the PojavLauncher for your device, so you can actually play Java Minecraft on your phone, which is way better than Bedrock Minecraft. But yes, it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get PojavLauncher onto your phone. This actually works, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys. And yeah, no jailbreak is needed or anything like that.